We're good. Anyway, so listen guys, I'm back and I'm going to, I took 1,000 milligrams just now. Hey everybody, check it out. I'm in makeup and looking good. Get into it. Get into this gig. Okay, anyway, so I just wanted to share with you guys. Oh, you know, I should explain a little bit about my outfit of the day. We're actually gonna go out and I feel really good. So this is a cute lanyard I got from Shop Miss A. Everything's $1. Plus this mask I got from Shop Miss A. It's $1. This I got off of Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. These jeans are Hudson jeans, I think. So these were like 20-something off of Holt Look boots, shoe boots. I think I got off of Amazon for like 30 bucks, I guess, something like that. The hat is thrifted. So there you have it. Okay. So my husband, my wonderful husband, is taping right now and recording us, and we're getting ready to go out. I'm feeling pretty good. I tried the 2 things of the L-tyrosine and I think it's working. I feel pretty good. So we're going to try to go and do a loop and maybe go to the bookstore, and maybe I can go to Ulta. Okay, anyway, so the reason why I want everybody to go to this person's, I'll put it in my description box. She's a Black owned business, and this is how it looked when I got it in the mail. So cute, so adorable. Don't get my address, although some people already have it. But anyway, that's another story, right, RJ?
That's right.
Okay, and then look at the packaging. Look at how it came in.
Beautiful.
Right? So I wanted to unbox the whole thing. And first I wanted to read what she wrote, because she was feeling so sad because no one was buying her stuff, and she's a, you know, she's a small business, and I'm all about supporting small women's businesses, especially Black owned business, all of it. And so she had this TikTok where nobody was buying, and she looked so sad, and it broke my heart. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go take a look at her stuff, and if it's something that I'm interested in, I'm gonna buy. And so I let her know, hey, I'm gonna take a look at your website, and then I said, hey, I just purchased something. And I got this in 2 days, if that. And she said, for the gorgeous Mariana, I hope all your dreams come true, doll, because you made mine with this order.
Oh, that's nice. So nice.
How sweet is that? Oh, and she got me a 15% off next purchase. AdoreMoneyMinx is the name of the website, and it's M-I-N-K-S, not you naughty minx with an X. All right, so let's take a look at this adorable packaging. So I think I ordered, look at that. Look at that, how cute is that? How cute! Little sticker.
I like the pink on the top.
I love that
bag.
little, and it's not too much. You know what I mean? As far as like too much stuff, like this is perfect, you know, perfect amount. So everybody go support her. So I got a cute little sticker. I don't even know if I ordered that. She just added that cute little candy, which is so cute. So look at this. Look at that!
That's
How
great.
cute is this cute little bracelet? Well, I'll be wearing this. She believed she could, so she did. And it's got a little money sign, because RJ's trying to make money off of me. Oh, by the way, you know, this is something I try to have in all of my videos. If you could, I would really appreciate it. I don't really care. I love having this interaction between us, but my husband is just looking at me as a future money-making machine.
Ching ching.
So if you could, you know, it's up to you. You're not obligated, but if you could like and subscribe, that would be fantastic. It would just get him off my back, because he's always on me about it.
Not true.
No, that is true. When you like my videos, nobody ever goes back and rewatches the like. I don't know why it keeps track of it on your channel page. So just every few days, you could just empty it out. I'm not going to be offended. So anyway, all right, back to what we were talking about. cute bracelet. Oh, so cute. And then I got these scrunchies, these really cute butterfly scrunchies. By the way, I could see how when she was showing the pictures of the items, she was wearing plastic gloves, which I thought was very, shut up. Shut up.
That's awesome.
How cute is that?
That is awesome.
I love stuff like this. So, yep. I'm going to be ordering more of these for sure. So cute. What was I saying?
You were talking about that she was wearing gloves.
Yeah, she was wearing gloves when she was showing all of the items, so it's all very sanitary and just very well done. Her business card is what her business card looks like.
Nice.
And I think what I'll probably try to do is I'll even maybe include a picture of this so you can see. Well, she has a website. She does have a website, so it probably has all that. And then I got, did I get an anklet or a bracelet? I can't remember. Is this a choker? I can't remember what it was. I think it's an anklet. It's a butterfly anklet.
Oh, that's nice.
You know what I might do?
So nice.
I think I'm going to try to see if I can put it around my boot. How cute would that be? Look at that, you guys. How cute is that? Maybe I'll get like a second one and then match it. And get like a bunch of them. How cute would that be?
Cute.
So there you go. There's the unboxing. Please, everybody go and support AdoreMoneyMinx.
Got it.